You know, this is really a terrible disappointment to me.
Another is musical tone. Another is musical tone.
You know, this is really a terrible disappointment to me.
Another is musical tone. Tone. Another is musical tone.
You know, this is really a terrible disappointment to me.
What's going on, baby? Oh, the G's are back in the building. Hope you guys didn't miss us too much. It feels good to be back. Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Just wish the market looked much better.
Yeah, no, markets, we're going to have to talk nicely to today, guys. But we're going to see what we can do. See if we can bring something home for you guys. But it feels good to be back, baby. Guys, just let us know then a little audio check. 1 2 1 2. How we are sounding. If you can hear us, the music good. Are we good? Hope everyone is well. It is Thursday, baby. It's a beautiful day in the Bay. And we are ready to get some money. Audio is sounding great. Slashy, that's what we love to hear, brother. Let's do a little run through. Yeah, who's in the building today? We got Ruben, Slashy, Etienne, the boys, Anna D, Ruben. I think I did say Ruben already. Ryan, Benjamin, Dave, Dylan, Ranveer, Trav, Amina. Good to be back, guys. Welcome. Yeah, Jeff, but I see you had the guys in good hands the last 2 days though.
Yeah,
some TPs.
We had no choice. It really felt when you guys weren't here, and just the thought of like there's no streams, the office felt so empty. It felt like there's something missing, and it clicked. The streams. So I figured, let me do something for the people. We had a great run, and in the last session we had to stop.
But that's part of the game, bro. No one has that 100% win rate.
Yeah,
it's all part of the game. But alright, guys, let's get down to business. So on the day, we basically had unemployment claims come out. Let me just reload this here. Basically coming out a little bit higher, but again, nothing too crazy. A lot of places were actually expecting a 215 was the forecast. So basically the 217 was a little bit higher, but on Forex Factory, that's obviously coming out flat. So that is dollar weakness. But the thing is, if you saw dollar not really following the rules with that one today, kind of playing its own little game, a bit of up and down, no clear momentum. DXY, I mean, gold going down the same time. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Markets are chalked. They're a bit all over the place. This isn't something I really want to get into when you're looking on this on the bigger time frames. This is all over the place. But this could be because NFP tomorrow. it could explain a lot. But when you really go look at DXY, for example, I mean gold, literally Monday, I think it was, Monday was the only day you really got that clear move. This big runaway over here. Everything else, I mean, look, this is just chalked. There is ways you could have got in and stuff, but it's just a very volatile up and down market. So I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, unless you can start taking out the breaks here, I'll take the sells. I'm not gonna just take a sell at an all-time high, guys. That is the way you blow accounts. So when we get some structure, if we get a reason to take that sell, we'll take it. But for now, nothing as of yet. I did mention to the guys in the morning session, when you've got this here, this was literally your all-time highs right over here. This was us breaking all-time highs, and then we actually rejected, then literally consolidated, came back and hold for a bit before the break, and now ranging again. Now the big thing we spoke about was, if you got this break over here, you need to see this thing run, and you didn't. You got a little bit of a move, but you literally now stuck here and just ranging. And the problem with that is that already tells you NFP, something big's coming. This NFP is either going to go take off to the moon, or you're going to see that big rejection. Now when I was talking to guys, you on the 4 hour, just look at this. Just look at this, guys. You had your major break at 2050 already and never got a retest. You broke 2080, never had a retest. All these little zones you've had it, but those major ones you haven't had it. If you go on the daily time frame, how many days in a row did you have bullish momentum here? And again, I'm not saying this, you're not in a range having 3 days of this. You've had a few days of this. You've had some big moves. So again, it is going to be a crazy one. And that is why I think the markets are literally just going to be an up and down roller coaster today. But again, we'll see if we can get something, we'll take it. But anything in this range, I'm actually, quite frankly, I'm not interested in taking. It's, guys, sometimes it's the hardest part about trading is, even though you can sit here as a day trader and rock up every single day, it doesn't mean you have to trade every single day. So I know we want to, but I'm not going to force something.
That's a very good example. Like, I mean, the past 2 days, if you guys joined with me, we had trade London and New York. But today it's like I have nothing.
Yeah.
You know, so
it's just part of the game. So we'll see what happens, guys. But obviously we're going to look at those lows, because there's 30-minute support, and obviously Asia lows still untested completely. So we'll see if we get something there. But then going over to the indices side of things, so if we go over to NAS absolutely turning around. Now again, London, I spoke about this with the guys. We wanted to see this retest and see what happens over there. As well, you can see obviously Asia highs were untested, so we wanted to go to Asia highs to trade for the support and the rejection and see what happens there. So obviously we traded up for those Asia highs, the rejection, the EQ, daily pivot, that was all perfect, and this thing just carried on taking off like a rocket. We're currently now at the R1 in the weekly pivot. So again, do we start consolidating here, or do we break above for the continuation, or do we literally fake out and come back to the downside? So very much just a little bit of reaction. Gonna see what happens there, but we will see what we can do there, what we can make out of that. So again, 4 hour, you are taking out these highs here, but again, let's just see what happens at this weekly pivot. You obviously got to go retest that breakout and see if we can hold that. So that's what we're going to look at there. Going over to US 30, again, same exact analysis played out beautifully this morning. Trading up for these Asia highs that were untested to go get that EQ and daily pivot. A little bit range bound there to now trade up for that same key area on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, again, your big breakout zone, you held the rejection but failing to take out the lows. So what does that mean? Key thing, you're coming back out to test that rejection. So obviously we did test it with a little bit of a closure below, but now again, closure above the weekly supply. So we literally going to pinball up and down here. Either we're going to just do this, or we're going to get that breakout, go to the downside, or we're going to finally break above this, hold this, and we can see that continuation back to the top side with what dollar's doing. Even though dollar had that little bit of weakness, dollar seems to have that strength again. So we are going to see what happens. Obviously Asia highs untested with that movement to the top of that EQ and daily pivot. So again, very much a reaction day from my side of things. Jeff, what you looking at, brother?
So from my side on DXY, it's going to be very different what I usually do. So Asian lows have been swept, Asian highs untested. But initially, I still have this demand zone marked out over here from the 2nd of Feb. So I still want to see price trade down to this level. Let me just refine it. I never refined it. So basically, if I can have, I would like DXY to reject Asian lows. And funny enough, I actually have a feeling with NFP tomorrow, dollar might shoot bullish. And the reason why I say is because currently this daily candle hasn't closed as yet. So what I would like to see happen throughout the day is basically DXY pushing down. Oh no. Basically seeing DXY push down to the downside. Test this level, give me some sort of change of character so that it can confirm that we are now targeting these Asian highs. Then if our daily candle can close something like this, for instance, see the candle can obviously trade down, tap it, go back up. If we can get some sort of closure like this, I'll be very, very happy. So on the session, I'll be bearish on the DXY. I want to see what price does. However, if we break above this box and close and go towards the Asian highs, I will flip my bearish there. So flip my bias there. So then looking at EU, if you look at the 4-hour, we have a 4-hour break of structure. Now we do have a demand zone all the way down here. Now price must obviously come mitigate that. However, just looking at the internal structure, you will see that we had breaks of structure over here. That's also where that move came in. And we had another internal break of structure over here. And as you can see, there's a nice breakaway candle. So I would view this as a demand zone. And also if you view it in a sense of premium and discount, you would see that we are in a discounted range. So we can potentially look for longs on there. So then going to the 5-minute, down to 5-minute, 3-minute, you'd see that price gave us that pattern, so forming a low, a high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we had a nice displacement out of the range, so I would see this as my internal change of character. So right now, as you can also see, there's a fair, if you go to the 1-minute, you'll see that there is fair value, not as much. So, but initially the plan stays the same for myself. I want to look at this little zone over here. And if we can get some sort of retest on EU at this level, that would be ideal. And also if we look at the correlation between these two, we'll put our 705 on our fib on there, and as you can see, the optimal trade entry lines up perfectly with that demand zone. So on EU, I want to see a drop down and then rise, and potentially on this, if we do take it, stop will be 8.2 pips, and we'll target a nice little 1 to 3. And the reason why I don't want to go all the way with this is for one simple reason. Like I said, internally, because I do expect DXY to reverse. Look at the internal structure. Sorry, you could see that this is the low that price left. So here's our internal change of character, once again flipping bearish. And then you will see also from there on, price technically started making lower lows, indicating that we are pushing bearish. My only other thing with, I want to say something's missing. Oh damn, now I have to redo this entire setting. Okay, I'm just gonna remove it, but just give you a perspective. So as you can see, our Asian highs is untested, and that is a zone also which we could potentially trade into. And then with that said, slightly above it, this is the supply which price has left us with. So if DXY reverses from that level, we might potentially see some sort of rejection to the downside from there. So I'm gonna take it very slow today. I want to see what price does, and then hopefully the markets are more clear tomorrow for NFP.
Here we go, baby.
And then also one thing what I forgot to mention was, so looking at GU as well, it's very hard because if you look at the 4-hour, we're at the supply zone, price rejected it perfectly, but now is that thing where my bias is conflicted, because the other thing is I'm bullish on GJ. So I would stay out of this for now. Like Egan also said, the market's really in a bad condition, so I would wait it out and only take something clear like this on EU, and knowing that it's a very simple trade.
Hey, there we go. So that's it, guys. Quick little rundown on the analysis.
Oh yeah, a quick one as well, just to update you guys. So remember this week we also look at Nasdaq, and price never came to our zone, but just want to show you guys a little something. Price came there last night and we missed out on all of that. So yeah, unfortunately nothing from Nasdaq on my side either. I would now either have to see price trade all the way down or trade all the way up for me to have a reaction. Let me just quickly double check USDT as well, because also look at that for some of the people. Similar thing over here. This was Tuesday, Wednesday, so also nothing there yet for myself. One last thing was oil we also looked at, and we're still waiting for oil to come towards this demand zone. This Asian low is unswept, and we also have this liquidity sitting down here, so very nice. We just have to wait for price to trade into our level.
All right, we're done this time.
Yeah.
All right, SNR, appreciate the love, baby. Man's coming in hot with those donos already. The guys aren't playing, yeah. The G's in the house, repping Peach Nation, you know it, brother. You know it. That merch coming out very soon, guys. Afternoon, gents. What's up, Nila? Got you, brother. No stress. Yeah, absolutely loving the chat. Yeah, guys, literally just getting right on the ball, answering the questions. Yeah, guys, for any of those that did ask questions, the guys did answer you straight off the bat. Those answers I gave you are all correct, so don't hesitate or think those guys were wrong. But again, literally doing it, guys. Already, please, if you haven't, let's drop a like. Let's just help this channel grow. It's all the love out here today, baby. Yo, I think coming back from that Josie trip, we are just bringing the energy, guys. We are hyped, we energized, we literally want to bring the best. Just time to level up again. So definitely keep an eye out. Snapper boy, what's up, my man? Let's see what else is happening on the markets. We were just waiting for market to open. Yo, guys, if I'm correct, I think literally the 10th is on Sunday. So from next week, Monday, we should be back to old times. So New York sessions will be moving up, and we'll be getting something a little bit more longer, if you want to say more volume in our New York sessions again. So definitely looking excited for that one. Starboy, what's your take on gold, please? Brother, just go back to the start of the stream. We did do an analysis on gold already. Keeks, brother, will you bless the VIP guys with the NFP nugget? I'll see, brother. I'll give you guys a rundown of what I'm looking for, so you guys will be expecting it, but we'll see what happens. As much as I promise that I am trading it tomorrow, we'll see what happens, but I've got a specific thing I'm looking out for, so only if I get that scenario I'm gonna trade it. So I'll give you guys what I'm looking out for, and it's up to you. If I don't get that, I probably won't take it. Damn, Chalky sounds lovely, brother, as long as we're stacking those blues, baby. Yeah, Chalky looking like he's been killing the market. So we just want to see, guys, as I said, gold's literally just pinballing at the moment. So I mean, if you look here on a daily, as much as that looks like it there, it's nothing crazy, nothing honestly that you're gonna do anything with. So we're waiting for some range breaks, see if we can get some volume in here.
Oh, you're trading a range break now, Keegan. Have you ever seen that be range break?
Yeah, with the
Sure.
synthetics.
Yeah.
Great community of people, like-minded people. People will not understand the feeling of trading. You have to be a trader to know it, profitable or not. 100% monkey. Literally, that's what we always say. We want to build a community for the guys here. It needs to be a family. Trading is a very lonely journey, so we want to try make that less lonely for you guys. And it always helps when you can bring some little filthy bangers there. Get those little shoulders popping a bit. Jeff, what are you? You dancing with your shoulders, or you just that little head bopper, or you that white boy with his hand in the air?
Yo, trust me.
Which one are you?
I'm gonna expose myself now, yeah. So when I'm alone with my girlfriend,
Yeah.
I would shake my ass a bit,
Oh.
and but if we're in public, I'm that guy, just stand against the wall, and I'm like, and you? I would actually love to see you dance. You look like you have some moves.
I go all out there. I love music. I love music, my boy. True, bro. Risk management key. Yeah. Nah, bro. You gotta get loose, bro. Just gotta feel it. Gotta feel it in the bones.
But also looking at my GU, if I fall in love with my correlation, what I said beginning of the year, we're still distributing, so GU must still push bullish, and I feel like so I also feel like with DXY, I mean, if you think about it in this sense, so here is the open of the year. Let me just mark that out here. So there is the first, and then if you really think about it, all of this over here was basically just a range we price traded in, basically consolidation, and then accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So like I said, I want to see GU come down so I can look for longs. My only thing is shorting it from here is a bit risky because we have this level over here that I'm also eyeing. So for price to go, there's also not unlikely. But then the other thing is, if DXY closes below, okay, they obviously close on the 4 hour, but if the daily candle closes below this level, below the S2, then I actually might flip my bearish, my bias bearish. Yo.
Yeah. As well, guys, that's exactly why I'm not getting involved in this. You got all this bearish momentum, quick spikes to the top side, gold literally all over the place. So I'm waiting. I get a clear signal there. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get Jeff one of these days. We're gonna get him to get a little jiggy with it. But to get off the new
maybe for
TGs,
some vault content.
how do you get onto the VIP group, gents? Josh, so basically, bro, the VIP group was our project group. Obviously, we literally just finished up with this now at the end of Feb with Project 5130. So we are still actually finishing that off now. We just were away on a trip, so now that we're back, we just need to finish the finalization of that group and the project. And then we'll see. Maybe it has been a thought, a higher demand. So we will see if maybe we'll start opening up the VIP group to more of the public as well. But as the moment now, brother, unfortunately, that you can't get into.
Trav, I'm also that guy. Once I ask you for it, I don't give it back.
He's that guy. If you have one that goes missing, bro, you gotta go check, Jeff. Literally DXY taking shots. Now that's where news, I think, is playing out on DXY. And just waiting for dollar to give us something. Literally testing this 1 hour support zone. So we'll see if we can get back above here now.
Oh, look at oil. Oil is coming for us. Oil is coming for us. Let's hope we get something on oil today. We've been waiting for this since Tuesday.
Yeah, no stress, Josh. I was gonna say, so where did the oil start coming in? I know you used to, but you haven't traded in a while.
Yeah, so I read something regarding the oil supply levels and 2035, and it just made me think, like, after what happened on oil in 2020 when it went to zero, then basically we made new highs. So the way I see it also on oil is the fact that we have, because it's oil, we all need it. Like, if the supply for it actually is, if that's true and the supply is running out and we're not going to have any oil by 2036, then the less and less it gets, the more expensive it will get. So long term, I am just bullish on oil, and I will slowly wait for that when that announcement comes that there's no more oil to potentially sell it and crash this market.
Alright, I'm with you. Yeah, funny. Literally, most of the sentiment reports are also literally at a 50-50 basically at this point in time. So that's just quite interesting to take note of.
So even the market makers are confused.
Literally. Because no, like, look at this, bro. Like, if you even had one candle now in 5 minutes, I'm like maximum 25 pips.
Sure.
That one candle literally would have taken you out now. One candle. Oof. Like, this thing doesn't know what it's doing. So we're just gonna see if markets will give us anything if they're gonna play ball. That's the thing, when you trade in all-time highs, it gets very, very tricky.
Yeah, that crash can happen anytime.
That crash can happen. This can be a little pullback for the extension. you can be that unlucky guy that's gonna place a trade as that thing's about to break out. Keegs, you watched the Powell speech in court. What, yesterday's one or the one that's happening today? Obviously, it hasn't come out yet. So yesterday's. Yesterday was the more important one. So I didn't watch it, but I got all the statements and the stuff from the terminal afterwards. Yeah, this one, guys, isn't anything you have to worry about. Like, literally, this testify, like, anything that would have shocked the markets would have been yesterday. This one today won't really be anything. Yeah, yesterday's one. Yeah, I didn't watch it. Like I said, just got the statements from the terminal afterwards. Funny enough, because when he was talking, that's when our flight was. So there was no way I could watch it. DXY literally dying now. Gold still battling a bit. Alright, man. Was just asking because of today's speech. Just wanted to know if they were both important or just the one. Yeah, nah, it's actually just yesterday's. Lol, yeah, I see kick shot. No stress, bro. But otherwise, guys, how's everyone's week been on the markets? You guys been killing it, being good. Slashy, bro, they were fighting Powell yesterday. So let's just see what's going on here, guys. I'm angry for a trade. Did you guys fight the demons in the fight cabin economic, bro? So Dave, I don't know if you're in the London stream, but we're talking about it, how it was a full flight, and of course, what did they do? They put Chris and myself right next to each other. So you got like two of the biggest oaks on the plane sitting next to each other on the smallest seats.
What a flex, Eki, you know? Biggest guy in the plane.
The smallest seats you can get there with. And literally now three of us squished. Like, unfortunately, my brother that sat next to me was quite a smaller guy, so we could make it work. But I mean, we literally had to put the armrest up because half my body was over onto his chair. So it was a bonding experience. I could tell you what cologne the man was wearing. And then, of course, you have to have the traditional crying baby in front of you. So, yeah, it was a top flight, eh? Bro, this month has been great for me. Cleared 2 50k accounts and up 5% on a 25k. Ranvi, that is awesome, brother.
That's beautiful, man.
How do I join Keeks VIP, bro? Just go back. I just spoke about earlier. It's not open for everyone. It was basically part of our project group. We are still finishing up that project, and then because it's in such high demand, we will think about opening it up, myself and Chris, maybe taking in a few more people or whatever the case is, because there will be some changes that are coming to the VIP group, but at the moment it unfortunately is closed off, brother. I was hoping that Bakeshaw went when he was asking Powell if there will be any indication of a rate cut or some sort of indication, but Powell don't say nothing, my bro. Nah, bro. Powell, you have to understand, that man is literally like, that man is prepped for interviews. That man is ice cold. He won't give you anything. Yeah, he's PR trained to the max. You can't break the breaker, yeah. Oh, Vince. Vince is in the building, baby. Alright, so there we go. Gold looking like it's having a bit of reaction now. That's tested that support. And markets are open, guys. Round 2. Ding, ding, ding. Fight. Let's see what we can get. What's Nasdaq doing now? Nothing really at the moment yet. Trading up. Yeah, so literally all of the pairs on my side not doing anything as of yet. Best poker face ever. 100%, bro. Like, you know, the NYS pilots, baby, you know we're back.
We really need to invest in a new thingy.
We are. Chris and I, we getting a new one, bro. A little naughty one.
Ja, I think so. Wind is uitgeblazen.
You can even just see, bro, on the paper. Like, this thing's tired. It is tired, bro. Like, I don't even know if Chris did this, but there's actually sticky tape on it.
Nah, it looks like it's been through surgery.
This thing's... whew. This thing's going to World War and come back. Thanks, Kia. We'll buy you one when I get through my funded challenges. All good, bro. That's planting the seed right there. Yo, these things, DXY melting, then there's a bit of a pullback. Let's see, guys, if we can get a closure below here. If we can get a closure below here, retest and hold, I'll possibly take a short at it. We'll take a little shorty Rooney. Oh, is this thing gonna run? I don't like that DXY is going down at the same time, I must say. But yeah, you got these zones to go for. You got Asia lows untested, so it could be a bit of a pullback. Again, consolidation, so it could be a bit of a breakout. But we'll see what we get here. Again, all about we're gonna need that resistance to hold. So I'm just checking everything right now. Yeah, if this 1 hour can close there, next one we retest, that'll be beautiful. So biggest thing is, as you guys can see, we literally just need, we can't have this. That's why we want to wait for the retest. So you can break, pull right back in, break, pull right back. We need it to literally break and hold. So you want this break, a rejection like that, hold off, and then we can see that waterfall. So that looks like that's going to be our play here today. See if we can get something there. I must say, I don't like that US dollars going down at the same time. Sniper boy, no bro, I definitely do. I mean, we already went to 2164, so to go back up for 2166, I think it might fall short purely because you did literally went to 2164, basically 2165 already. So again, you can have that pullback for the day because again, we spoke about, you've just been trading bullish the whole day. When you think about it in the bigger scheme of things, like even if you, for example, like you trading down to here is nothing. Like if this thing even wants to technically go bearish, your first idea is breaking 2146. This is the first point you are going bearish because you're taking out a bit of a low, so, or a higher low. So technically that's your first area. Until then, like even you can pull down to there 2150, whatever the case is, and still turn around again. So it definitely can happen. It can. But again, as I said to the guys, today's literally reaction day from my side. Please like and subscribe. Please chat. Let's pump the likes, baby. Yeah, we need to get these likes up here, guys. Get the likes up. I know it took 2 days viewing these, 2 days off, and the viewers have dropped a bit, yeah, but it's fine. We're gonna get them back up.
Yo Vince, yeah guys, and also please share the link. Obviously you guys are traders, so you guys obviously do have friends who also struggle with trading or need help with trading. Share the link with them. Don't gatekeep. It's free, and like Chris always says, that you planting your seed as well.
So yeah, we got the closure below, guys. Again, now we said we need this thing to close underneath, and that's where it's looking a bit naughty. So that's what we're watching out for, yeah. Oh, boss Bobby, what's up, Chad, Jeff, and Keegs? What's up, boy?
Bobby? Good to see you, yeah, my man.
GU Souls, Jeff, you look the GU, eh?
Yeah, I'm looking at GU, but I'm bullish on GU long term. So I actually I want to see it go down, but I wouldn't want to force it and sell it down. Yeah, and just as we see that, and price is now moving to the upside, so I will have to wait before I take any shots there.
All right, there you go, my brother. Official noisy boy. I think that was the one guy's name. Did you ever watch it? What was it? Pacific Rim? Or were those robots that boxed? What was it called?
Real Steel.
Real Steel. Oh, I'm thinking of Pacific Rim was the other one where they like pilot them. But yeah, Real Steel. I swear the one robot was called Noisy Boy.
Yo,
I swear it was.
I
Maybe
haven't
I'm
watched this
wrong.
movie in a long time.
I'm sure it's Noisy Boy.
I know what I'm watching tonight. Yo, guys, if I can recommend, okay, it's not like now a movie about trading or anything, but last night we were looking for something to watch and we
Yeah, Real
stumbled
Steel.
upon this movie. What's it called? Wait, let me see. I downloaded it. Yo, look here. This Wi-Fi thing with Vodacom is killing me, bro. Literally we moved on Friday. It's not even a week. I spent $3.30 on airtime. Just hotspotting people.
Yeah, no, Ryan, brother. Pacific Rim was a different one I was thinking about. It is where these guys have these big duck titans that are called robots. Or they're robots called titans. The movie's called Pacific Rim, but they fight like these alien monsters, like kind of like Godzilla type creatures. Also a very, very good movie, but that was a different robot thing I was thinking of. The one that I was talking about with Noisy Boy, it's Real Steel. You guys have me doubting myself here if I'm thinking of the right thing. Talk to me, horror ghost. Loved it with the Wi-Fi. Yo, okay, we are breaking a bit lower here now. My only thing is I actually just don't like how big these candles are. Like, the thing, if anything, I'm probably going to have to take it off this candle, yeah. Because that way, I'm just thinking of RR, yeah, guys. Like, for risk management, if I take this, like, with a closure, yeah, like, you have all the possibility of pulling, like, back up to, yeah. Where if we get something like we break over here, you can do it like over there type of case. You're just gonna bet RR with a target of Asia lows. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for the break here, purely because we also haven't broken the support. Top track in the background, shot Lee, brother. So yeah, again, like that move's already almost happened, yeah. So we're not getting that break. But we'll see what happens here. DXY might be fighting back here a bit, so let's see.
Yeah, I want DXY to go tap the S2 and drop.
S2.
Yeah, the weekly S2. The one that you find in the 4 hour.
Okay. Alright, so there we are at that 30-minute support, guys. Let's see what we can do here. I was truly on NAS this morning and my move played out. FOMO, but we moved. Still up for the week. Let's see what we can get here. Yeah, we're watching this for the break here, guys. 80 is also playing along a bit here with us. Very, very dropping off now. So we are in the zone. Let's just see what this next candle does. DXY looking like it wants to fight back a bit. So let's see what happens here. All right, come on, give us something here. Oh, come on. Let's see. Yo, is this going to be another one of those moments? Another moment where I can't get into my flippin' terminal.
Oh, is that DX trade?
Yep.
The people with the perfect execution.
Bro, these people have been screwing me over 6 over there. And typical, like, New York session. It's almost like literally New York session when I want to trade. This thing doesn't work at all.
Like they know. They know. Keegan's gonna come milk.
Like, won't do shit. Am I really not gonna get to trade now? Just so you guys can see, like, I'm not lying. Check ya. Literally just loading. Like, literally can't get into my chart.
Do you have like a Discord, WhatsApp, trading, Telegram open there maybe?
Discord.
Or Telegram where I can send you a picture and you show it on the chat quick and show you guys something.
I have nothing really. Discord. Wait, I can't open my Discord. So if you send it on Discord.
Okay, let me quickly look for it.
Oh, well there it won't flippin' open once again. I'm having the same problem, Keegs, yeah. When are you guys interviewing Joash whenever he has the balls to come on? I gave up, I haven't traded accounts in 2 weeks. Bro, like, I'm actually so irritated. Will only be good next week once the new server is in.
How should I send it to you? Because I'm logged in your Discord. Does it have like a safe messages thing like on Telegram?
Nah, just send it on.
Should I send it to Chris? Since
Yeah.
there's only calls there.
Yeah, just send it to Chris. Love the playlist. G's shot, brother. What about Nas Boys? Same thing, bro. None of these guys have the guts to come on, yeah.
Okay. it's
Afternoon,
in.
G's.
That's basically what happens.
So
Pick
there is literally this trade running. What a beautiful thing that we cannot trade because of DX trade.
That picture I just sent you, that's the X trade. Because they don't want you to, they don't want you to make profit.
What is Jeff sending me? Let's see, can I put that there? No, I can't. Alright guys, this is basically what Jeff is showing me now. Me getting screwed a bit, yeah.
So Kia, I see you asked something regarding EU. You're looking to short it once it closes below the Asian lows. I would potentially look for shorts above the Asian low if DXY goes to that demand zone. But then again, if DXY taps into the taps the S2 and that supply zone, and I expect it to drop basically. And then with that said, if that pushes, would that push up on DXY? If it pushes EU down, I have a demand zone down here, and I will look for buys below the Asian low basically. So just be mindful of that. Don't rush into it.
Okay, well, yeah, we're getting the retest. Let's see what happens with the retest, but I still can't trade. Let's see what this man says here, Chad. Hold on. Let's see. Let's get our boys Angelo's attention, yeah. Because I'm tired of this now.
What's this now?
Gonna put a little post up here for my boy Angelo. Let's do this. At Angelo.
You know, there's one guy I wanna take a piss out of. I am talking to him. He doesn't.
Yeah.
He clearly doesn't know who I am. John Gatti. So I told him I want to interview him, and he's like, yeah, nah, we can make a plan. Oh, it'd be so cool if he haven't come to PE. I already have my questions for him, and since we'll be live, or he's in the try and escape out of this office, but he won't be able to lock the door.
There we go. Sorry guys, we're taking a bit of I'm actually just tired of this now, so we are putting something up for Angelo to see, because now I'm tired of it. All right.
It's not kidnapping if he consents to come here.
All right. Sorry guys.
Is it up?
Nope. Well, I'm putting the post up, but yeah,
Okay.
still, as you guys can see, literally still can't get in. Like, still waiting. So I'm literally giving up now. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. Got my attention again. Again, this is also why we wait for those retests, guys. Perfect example. DXY having a big turnaround. So again, thing is there, but still can't have that being acceptable as a terminal. You went for pullback keys, yeah. Was just waiting for that pullback for the retest. Yeah, definitely could go back to the range, guys. That's why I said this is going to be. Hey, Keeks, that IG story is fire. It looks so fun, bro. Oh, shot, my man. What happened to that 5K account giveaway? Jakes, we still gonna be doing it, brother. Don't you worry. He can't share shit, yeah. I'm gonna buy a demo live hoodie from the G's, then send it to Josh in the mail. I hope he'll be milking these trades. You take any else on that today? Just Junior Jeff kidnapping plans. I'm in. Miss Powell will be bringing in more volume in 10 minutes. Change brokers, bro. I think I can't really change the broker, bro, when it's a funded account. That's the issue. Eventually they can move the C trader, but C trader is not ready yet, so I can't move yet. So I'm literally stuck with it.
Yeah, the market's really playing with my emotions here. It's like I'm itching for something. Or it's just a coke.
Nah, it's like nothing. Oh, Mrs. Zeb, I just love a bit of kidnapping. Alright. Jev, still nothing on your side here, brother?
DXY did go up, but it didn't reach all the way where I wanted to, but it is moving down towards that zone, also marked out. EU is in my supply zone, but now I have to await a change of character. So that's going to take some time.
Alright. Let's see how long it is.
Jigs, that typing error. Stephen Tikas.
Great music. Who's on the decks? You know, I'm always there, guys. Always playing the tunes. On EU earlier today, nice little breakout. Go to smoke some cross now, and
Ow, Sahil. Sahil, yes. Always confuse your name with a friend of mine, the Indian trader. Welcome, my man. Long time.
ow, my white pony. Yeah, there, brother. You gotta be careful, eh? I'm gonna come take that little mini of yours. You'll probably be able to track me. I can't get very far. I don't know if I'll make it even out of Santon, but it'll be at least a little getaway car for now. Where was I? I've been trading Alpha Capital Group account and it's been dope. Plus I get to funded. I get a free account of the same size. Okay, cool, brother. Let's see. Thank you for having the live session. Awesome, brother. Glad you're enjoying it. On my day, I've just been playing the finals all morning, working so much at the moment. I have zero energy for anything else. Nah, Minty, I feel you, bro. I feel you. Devon me is probably too late for that gold short neck geeks. Bro, technically not, because you still have this 1 hour support. So if you hold that there, again, I don't like what DXY is doing personally. Going for that key level now, but yeah, if you do get some reaction, yeah, you could. But personally, I won't now. I think I'll second on that one, Jexy, while Greenhouse and some on PC. The files were can't wait for tomorrow an hour. Yeah, perfect example. As I said, I don't like it with what DXYs do. As I say, guys, honestly, markets are so chalked at the moment.
Yeah, this gold looks tempting, eh? Yeah.
What do you want to do to it?
I finally have a change of character. But I still don't trust it. I still don't trust it
He
because
haven't took any trades. He's going to take one now, brother. He's going to take one now. Sahil wants a signal, bro.
we will full port gold soon, Sahil. Soon. So you can have my screen there. So change of character over here. And then as you can see, oh damn, then we have the or the daily pivot at this level, and then I can also see we have the OTE. So change of character, 3 confluences, and then also have 2160. So, but the only thing then is, if I do want to do that, no, 50 pip stop. Nah, I think I'm good.
The man was just like, after that, I'm out. I'm not doing it. DXY at that key level. There we go, guys. So perfectly on the daily. Ticking that off. Let's see what happens.
Oh, thank you, Sahil.
Again,
Thank you.
as we spoke about, guys, not going to say it, but on the biggest scheme here now, you had your breakout retest. And tomorrow, you literally have got NFP. So let's see what happens. What's your OTE setting?
I think that's it. Let me just double check it. I sent it to you in the chat.
Yes,
that is the one.
Other games, let's calculate, brother. Yeah, match it's Fall Guys or Fortnite. Whenever you say Fall Guys, it is. Brew 2 is bomb. Noisy Ways Urban 7. Alright. Gold doing its thing.
Sorry about that. I'm bringing my price bars out now. I don't know how Keegan and Chris can do this. So distracting.
What?
With your price bar out.
Oh, why is it distracting?
Yeah, it's so distracting. I don't know. It just. I don't know. I have a low concentration span. Or short. Short attention span.
Great one there, Jeff. Good logic, bro. Sahil, you're gonna what's the name? Package me up some Dino Boys there, bro. I still want to try one of the burgers. Those burgers looked entertaining. And then Chris was like, nah, he wanted something for breakfast that was gonna burn his bum. Now I'm into that game, bro. I'll throw my entire setup off the window. Dude. What's it now? 1 minute until Mr. Powell talks. But again, I don't think it's going to be anything crazy, guys. And then tomorrow, the big one daddy, we got NFP in the building. Yo, Keegs, watch this playlist. Love this groove. The playlist, bro, it's called Deep Soul and Jazzy House Mix. It's by Akaro Mana. Akaro Mana. So let's go check it out there. Akaro Mana, Deep Soul and Jazzy House Mix.
So a quick question. Say now, for instance, like you eat hot curry like that, ne? And like when it comes out the back end, it burns. Like, what's the remedy? Or do you just beast it? Do you get used to it? Does your what's that skin for your anus called? Or does it become like what's the word? Shit, I'm really dumb today.
Pop an ice cube in there. Pop the ice cube in and it'll melt out. Oh yeah.
Yo.
Funny thing is, I swear if it was that hot, I legit would see Jeff doing something like that.
Nah, the thing is, actually, I like hot food. I can handle some hot food.
Bro, you know, I'm always that guy where I'm like, I can do hot food, And then there's like that hot where I'm like, what the hell is enjoyable about eating this? Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, there's a certain limit as to how hot it must be.
Yeah.
It must be hot with flavor. Then it's acceptable. But if it's just purely hot and the flavor is hot, nah.
What's up? I was looking short, and then I couldn't trade. My terminal down again.
Boss Bobby handstands in the shower.
So that was down, and then it rejected. Didn't get the rejection yet, so I'm waiting to be able. But I don't like that.
Sure.
So you're gonna lower down to key level.
Yo, that sounds hectic, Sayo.
I think for
A
now.
special chili.
I think for now this is gonna consult.
Mo gave me some chilies yesterday, and I ate that, and literally like 2 hours later, I still tasted it and smelled it.
You're gonna get.
That was some pretty good chili.
By the way, just because
Oh,
I chatted enough.
Miles, my man,
Post now.
good to see you here. Thanks for the like, thanks for the love, always appreciate it.
Angelo and everything. Yep, Funder Trader, Angelo. Let's get his attention now. Yeah, now quick one and we're gonna. I had to drop my like and show love. All the best for the trade session, my guys. What's up, my boy? Appreciate you popping in. Mr. Miles in the building. Aren't you, bro? I saw you being traded. I don't know if he still is here now, but I saw he was trading in New York. Was that just because you're not like getting trades in London, or were you just doing it for like the vibes? Yeah, I agree with you, but then also we have a special chili for customers that piss us off. For an ABX, hey Miles. You can't accept chilies from a black man. It's not called chilies. It's cool.
Yes, Sayo.
Right.
Yo.
I don't even know how to
Yeah.
respond to that. Eh? No, that was good. Just a once-off sesh for the guys, strictly London broski. Okay, yo, I remember you said you strictly London. That's when I saw you were doing that in New York the one time. I was like, damn, okay.
And Miles, bro, we still have to do that lunch. It's been like a month now. It's been like a month of us delaying.
But yo, guys, any of my boys, yeah, that are trading with the Funded Trader, we take a stand tomorrow, guys. We take the fight to them. We are gonna make a little naughty reel, and trust me, we are gonna get our boy Angelo's attention. We're gonna see very quickly how he's gonna get this shit sorted. So we're done stirring drama with traders. We've done that for fun. Now we take it up a level. We're gonna stir drama with the prop firms and with brokers. Again, guys, before I say any of that, we are a proud sponsor of Vault Markets. So anything we say here is strictly mine and Jeff's opinion. It is not Vault's. So please do not go there. So if I go fighting with another prop firm or broker, that is me.
I almost said, yeah, Volt has no opinion. But nah, obviously Volt love them so much. But yeah, guys, everything we say here, especially also for myself, media conspiracy theorist, all these things, like, it's me. So don't think that it's not like I've been forced by Volt to say any of these things and so forth. So
yeah. No, Miles, I promise you, Chris and myself, we're gonna make a proper reel tomorrow. If that man doesn't get back to us today, we're gonna put the pressure on them. So what we can do is, when it's all there, you guys want to, obviously it's up to you. We'll all share it. We just pushed it out. Again, I'm not saying you have to be following me, any of that, but more just we're gonna push it out. We are gonna put the pressure on these guys.
So Miles, if I don't leave for the funeral this weekend, definitely Saturday if you are available. I have to make it happen.
Let's see. So let's see. I'll repost for sure. Yeah, brother, appreciate it. But like I said, not even about likes, subscribers, but more same way we were with the community. We stand together. We will take on these brokers if they're trying to screw us over, or prop firms in this case. Dun, 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 dun. We'll see. Give it a bit of time and we'll see if he replies. Failed at phase 2. Do you guys do mentorship? Yusuf, we did with the project. That was basically our mentorship. But go over to the Discord, bro. We have education there. Join with us every day. Trade live with us, and we'll always help you out, brother. Who's screwing who now? TFT, bro. With DX Trade, it is just absolute. It started off as rookie hour, but now it's not even funny anymore. I would be okay with it if it happened once, and then it was a case of, they didn't have the server ready. Well, they shouldn't have put the guys on it if the server wasn't ready. So yeah, that's my personal opinion. And then you can't have it work on. It's like very ironically, it works on a day when there's no volume. No volume, New York session's fine. But the minute that a market gives you something like this, the minute you can try and take a trade, then ironically, oh damn, we down. Doesn't work. That's not acceptable. Because end of the day, does that also count as market manipulation? You preventing a trader from trading. Certain hours of a day it works, certain hours it doesn't. Whether it's volume, your servers can't handle it. But does that not still fall under market manipulation? Then, if that is the case, you've just put yourself in the same boat as my forex funds. Because, for example, if I'm a New York trader, you basically telling me I can't trade New York now. You're welcome for that update, Jeff. Couple of my students had the same issue with alpha markets at New York Open. Yeah, bro, it's not acceptable. Either they must rectify it. I mean the slippages, like that first time I traded on it, perfectly fine. Like the first day we went to it crashed, and that was the big apologies, all this stuff, and I was like, cool. Second day traded, absolutely no problems. I took a little trade on it yesterday, bro. The slippage, they enter my trade. I enter, told me my orders were filled at this, like let's just say I enter over here, okay? Like let's just say I enter there, but this thing will enter me 3 seconds later. It will tell me orders filled over here on the thing. If you go like on your click on your things, it will tell you like where your order, your entry is and stuff like that, your entry, your TP, stop loss. My entry will be here, but my order is filled over here. The move hasn't even touched yet or gone back here, but this is where I'm filled. So if it was a buy, sorry, it would be higher up. It would be like in an area the market hasn't even touched there yet, but that's where I'm filled. So I open my thing and I'm negatively straight away in loss, like a loss. It is absolute rubbish. Couple of my students had the same. Oh yeah, TFT is a cuck prop, bro. They are good, and I always say to guys, I never had any issues with them until they did this migration. Now it's problem after problem after problem. Before this, never had an issue. What brokers is Keys? It's not a broker, well, it's a prop firm. The fund trader, but they're using DX Trade. Absolute BS. We won't stand for that. Yeah, bro. Traders, we're gonna hold our ground here now. I stopped using them because of the slippage. Again, when I was on MetaTrader using Think Markets, those guys never had an issue. Like, I was so happy. And then Think Markets left because they started their own thing, and then they obviously had to go to DX Trade and C Trader. And the thing is, C Trader I'll respect, because what happened was, for guys that don't know, for example, DX Trade took on everyone because they were like, damn, we're gonna get all this customer base, stuff like this. They took it on and was like, we'll take it on. And the Fund Trader told them the expected volume. I mean, you could see the accounts they had to do, so they know the volume that was going to come their way, and they were told to upgrade servers, and they never did. And then their server crashed, and that someone mentioned that it will be better by next week, because that's when the server upgrade should be done. So until now, you're going to have these problems, which is unacceptable. If anything, you shouldn't tell guys like, listen, you can't even trade. But now letting guys trade and they're getting these absolutely rubbish conditions, it's just wrong. So where C Trader turned around and said, okay, you can come on to us, we'll take guys, but we're gonna have to sort a few things out on our server. We will take you, we can do a deal, but we will only let you guys start trading with us from like 3 weeks, a month's time, because they need to get everything in place. Because when the guys do go over, they won't allow you to have any issues, and that I respect. I will rather wait than have issues. But let me be like, oh no, trade, and then I just get slipped, I get late entries, I get late closures, I can't enter a trade when I want to, I can't trade when I want to, then that pisses me off.
Earlier there were guys who came here. I remember all that went downstairs.
Yeah, oh sorry bro, but also yeah, cheers Miles, shot for popping in, brother.
Check your Miles. Yeah, so they come here and they're like, hey bro, like they got scammed. And I'm like, what do you mean they got scammed? Like, no, they went with this prop firm. Guess whose prop firm they went with? Clint. And they got funded. Like, they passed their phase 1 and phase 2. It's been 2 weeks now. They're still waiting for their live accounts. No response from the huge support team. Bro.
Like, I'm sorry, like, in today's world, if you're still getting scammed, like, in this industry, I'm sorry, you're an idiot. Like, I understand it's not there, but the minute you should pick up that prop firm is Clint's, you should realize there's an issue there.
Yeah.
Red flag, like, flipping, disappear, run away.
A bouquet of red flags.
Yes, sis. My G's about to do homework with my kids. Have a great evening further. Very thankful for this channel. Stay blessed, chat. Enjoy y'all tomorrow. Check you tomorrow, brother. Enjoy the homework. Far interested in sheesh. The boys know. Literally, I must even say, like, you know how chalk the markets are when brew. Look at this, from market open. 430, even indices.
Yeah.
That's all that's happened on indices since market open. Like, that is that is crazy. Like, literally, that is all that's happened, even on indices. That is nuts. Then you know markets are chalked.
Now tomorrow we're gonna have a great day, chat.
I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'm not even gonna trade London tomorrow. I'll leave it and I'll go big for NFP.
Yeah, there's no need to force anything.
I'll go big because if Brave is doing this now, it's not gonna do shit in London session.
And most likely also, tomorrow when we do trade, I think it will be very likely if we do get something that will hit a break even, like after the session.
Yeah, that's why I said to the guys, what I'll do is with NFP, for example, I'll happily like do it and I'll go big for it, but it needs to be what I want. If I get what I want tomorrow, I'm happy. 500 for live NFP trading. Nah, Boss Bobby, I love the guys. I wouldn't do that. Specifically, I do it with the VIP group, but maybe in the future, bro. When we're getting the numbers back up, I think we definitely will start bringing it back for the guys. So don't stress. We definitely will be bringing it back. I think your guy's channel is shadow banned, by the way. Why do you say that, bro? To be fair, our numbers have dropped off a lot. Keys to the podcast from Top Trader SA already up. Now, Jason, they take a while, bro. Like, they are proper. So, I don't know how long it will take. So, they'll probably, the lives don't show on my home anymore. Oh, damn. We'll check that out. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, they take about, they normally only do one pod a week, but we were the first guests on their new setup, so literally that's why there was a bit of a gap. But now I think they'll put the shift in, get it out. So maybe I think from next week. Because obviously they won't have it by this week. So from next week, I think the first one might be out. That's my guess. But that also goes down to, I don't know which is going to be first. Honestly, we don't know. So it could be Chris's one, could be first. It could be mine. And like I said, it's a week. So if Chris is first, then the next week will be mine. And then I think the next week is Industry Talks, which is our group one we did. So that's going to be very, very sick. Like, super stoked to see those. Saw your IG posting about your Top Trader SA interview. Yeah. Can't wait to hear your story, mate. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, we actually went quite deep. So, very, very, very cool one. Also, 10K target. Can't wait. Do you guys know Headway Broker? Nah, I haven't heard of them. Jeff?
No. Isn't Headway like a app for sleeping? No, I'm not joking. Like, Headway is an app for sleeping. But I've never heard of them. It's the only Headway I know.
Let's see here, guys. Put your channel's key tags in the search bar. The rarer the tags, the better the search results. If you can't find a channel like that, it's highly like your channel is shadow banned. Oh, damn. Who? Jeff, search it quickly.
Okay, what should I search?
Key tags into the search bar.
Watch the page's key tags.
I'd probably just go 2Gs. That would be the first thing I'd guess.
2Gs trading. Nah, the first thing that pops up. But the thing is, I'm subscribed.
No,
subscribed.
Hold on. But no. Like, even put in 2Gs trade in and see does it pop up though. Like in the list, the names.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Oh, obviously I can't 2G. Shit, it's gonna. Wait, what do you mean? It's already popped up now, so let's search
is it? Okay.
Yeah.
No, well, hold on. Jason saying no, you're not shadow banned on mine. Always on top of my list. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah,
maybe,
mine too.
Yeah, maybe King Shake. Maybe it's just good. Like, you've been watching like other stuff for like a while. Like, I'm not saying other streams, but just because you're watching other stuff and like we had a bit of a break, it will fall behind. So that just could be the reason. Like, I know with me, like if I stop watching some of my like favorite YouTubers and I've watched other guys recently, obviously the other guys' stuff don't pop up as often anymore. So I think that's just the case. My exchange got chalked, by the way. Got withdrawal on Tuesday. Now can't sign in or nothing. And on my empty edge says account invalid. Really? Oh, damn. King Shaq, I'm not going to say I'm worried because we know guys quite high up there. So, like, if I ever have an issue, I go straight to them. I personally, I'm not worried. I mean, my account's been chilled. Still haven't had any issues with them. But that is crazy, bro. That's crazy. Obviously, I don't want to like put you on the spot here. Like, we don't have to say amounts, but like, was your account a big account? Like, your withdrawal a big amount?
In the dance.
Yeah, because that's Jason. That's also the first thing I'm thinking. But again, like I know guys that have got massive withdrawals from them, and like on a weekly, daily basis. So that's why, like, to me, it's so weird. Because like obviously King Shay, I'm not trying to like tune you, bro, but I'm pretty sure the guys like I know like they withdrawing more than you. Very big withdrawal. Yeah, because as I say, again, I'm not trying to tune you up, bro, but I'm just saying the guys I know, they're making big withdrawals on a weekly basis, and they don't have any issues.
And become one with the music.
I'm waiting for email support now. Okay, cool. Keep us updated though, bro. I'd be interested to hear what they say. So it looks like DXY is holding that key level.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get anything from my side.
Nah,
Can't
I'm
hope
not
on
either.
something on the next 8 minutes.
Release yourself in the dance.
Yeah. Honestly though, nothing on my side. Yeah. Jeff, do you see anything, brother?
The only thing I'm looking at is oil. It looks like it's heading there, but then also my timing is gonna be out. So
Become one with the
yeah, I don't want to take a risk, and then yeah,
Yeah. Probably Nasdaq. Honestly, nothing there, bro. You're at all-time highs. I can't do anything there. Yeah, make sure about the T's and C's. I know you have to deposit something to get the withdrawal. Otherwise, Jeff, if you're not gonna do it, we're gonna call it, brother.
yeah, we can.
Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna like waste your time here either. It's all fun and games. I'm gonna sit around for another 7 minutes. Just to not get anything. Markets are absolutely chalked. We got a big one, NFP tomorrow, so we want to keep an eye out for that. We will talk about it a little bit in the London session. So if you guys want to hear a little bit of what we're looking for, make sure to check out London session. We will talk about that there. But again, going to be an interesting one tomorrow. I definitely think you're going to get one big move tomorrow. I don't think anything's going to happen yet today. So we're just going to have to be patient, see what happens, and bring it back tomorrow. So Keys, please drop a hint on NFP. As I said, bro, we're going to talk about it a bit tomorrow. So if you want to just tune in for that London session, we will talk about it. And I mean, if you miss it, then maybe you're going to have to go back and watch the London one and get some tips there. I'd just say, guys, it is going to be a big one. You don't want to do anything funny here. Where can I contact Vault Funder support? I can't find an email in the site.
What's the email for support in the vault?
It's support at Kate. What's the support email? Okay, support at vaultfunder.trade. Jeff, you're going to put it there in the...
Yeah, I'll put it for him.
Just check that we're going to put it there in the chat for you, but support at vaultfunder.trade. It is on the site. I can't think of it now, but it is on the site, brother. So just email there for yourself. Now I'm always yeah, Jason's like I say, if you're in London, bro, we will talk about it there. So yeah, we're gonna take it from there, guys. Otherwise, I promise you, please don't try to throw money. There's nothing in the markets now. Tomorrow is going to be a big one. Trust me, there was nothing yesterday. There was nothing this whole week. Monday's been the only day I would have taken a trade, and we missed that one, unfortunately, because of DX trade again. Acumen has a $30 bonus and a bunch of demo competitions you can drop. Get funds if you're struggling, bro. There we go. But yeah, we're gonna check you guys tomorrow. Jeff, any closing remarks?
Actually, to touch on that, guys, if you need funds to trade, there's literally many ways where you can start trading without using your own money. I'll maybe compile a list for you guys of proper bonuses you can use without like trade certain amount of lots and making a deposit. So yeah, love you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow and trade strong.
All right, there we go, guys. But again, it's good to be back, baby. So we're going to come in hot. We're going to finish strong. And we're going to see you tomorrow for NFP Friday, baby. Stay safe, be safe, and we'll check you tomorrow. Peace and love, guys.
Check
Cheers,
you
cheers.
guys.